protons are there?
Why are they still
Double
shining?
bond, is that the thing?
4, 5,
Double
6,
bonding.
7, 8,
Yeah,
9, 10.
that's the thing.
Each proton and neutrons are in there.
Look at this, you're lying.
How do you only
You are a
have,
liar.
No.
How do
you only have
valence
4.
bond?
Aren't you supposed to have 5 neutrons?
Okay.
Neutrons?
What does
Yeah.
that mean?
You only have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Those are
You have
And that tells you that this is right.
You're supposed to have
Like I
four,
said.
like the protons.
This is over.
Now,
Why
how
do
do
we
you
have 10 aluminum?
Aluminum oxide. Yes.
But I don't know, it won't show me.
But
But
when we-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wait, yeah, when you
You just said that you need it for the protons, you gotta have
yes,
9.
when they're sharing this
Oxide
one that's
covalent
bigger,
bond.
it takes this one and automatically becomes neon. It becomes, it's when it gets, when it
I
goes
looked at
down,
the picture and it
becomes that.
came up with
And
piles
I'll
of
see that.
crap.
My hair smells so good.
You're such a fag.
You're close. Some of these are close.
Mr. Snyder, come here. Please.
Since you've given me a nice yellow.
Yep.
Where does that one that I found right here? This part, how do you pull that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've been, like, I found the definition of that.
Let
and
me
I
get a
still don't-
picture on the end of that. Or orbital diagram, which is what those are actually called.
Okay, I don't get this. Why, okay, so.
I don't get life, but I'm not questioning it.
Shut up.
That's pretty much what you're supposed to be doing.
Okay, why are you supposed to have like, okay, so you're supposed to have 9, but there's 10.
Oh, I don't know.
There's 10 electrons before or after it steals one from something else. That's okay to not have to say. When it's all by itself, it's the same. When it combines with something else, they're gonna be different.
Oh, so this one's taking 1 piece.
Wait a
How many protons do you have over here?
minute.
And how many electrons? No.
Well, not in front of the ship.
Right. So you have 3, and you have 10 instead of 9 and 4. Still makes 13 no matter what. Law of conservation of matter.
Sure, I gotta remember how to do this.
Wait, is it this? I'm confused because I found a bunch of random crap.
I'm just like,
Okay.
do this on the outside.
Such a fake, such a fake. Give me this, I need this.
Explain, what is this?
No, I wouldn't work.
I don't know.
I forgot, what is this?
Shut up, can you stop talking about
It's
this
funny,
game?
it's funny.
You know I wanted to go.
It was
Yeah,
You
but
want
they're
that
not
right
showing
there?
up.
Yeah, wow.
You want that?
They're not showing
Stop
up.
it.
saying that inside.
I'm trying to
McDonald's
look
that day,
at
I started
it.
singing.
Shit, it's
I'm
gonna
like,
show up.
this man was like,
Oh,
what is
yeah.
he singing?
Okay, look.
Yeah. I don't know.
Let's just
Great, we're going. I'm never gonna do that.
And then when we were leaving, he was like,
So you know, the beryllium and the red, and it shows how they're coming
like
together.
saying bye.
I just want that to be
He
the
didn't
next
even say bye.
He's like, bye, see you next week.
because
And we started screaming it out.
what is this number? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13.
Then you fell asleep on the way back.
But see, it's still not up.
You got you
What
down.
does this little tree do? You did? Is that nice?
No, actually, I didn't. I just got a phone call. And I said,
That's one, that's supposed to be a 1.
12:30, where are you? And I told her to run late.
No, because there's only one.
You know, your
There's
curfew's
one
12.
over 1D. Okay, I'm never gonna really sloppily in here. That's how we
You got
do
mine.
it.
I know what you wanted.
But then he said we'd have to talk about it the next day, and you didn't.
So that means he didn't care. If your parents don't get you to talk about it like after they say they're going to, that means they just let it go over and they trust you the next time.
No, I think he didn't yell at me because as soon as I got up, I started doing laundry. So.
Somebody help me out.
What?
If I'm gonna combine lithium and fluorine,
If you switch that plus sign in the F, it becomes lift.
What am I gonna get?
No. You ain't got
F, you put a 1. It's a 1.
Hey, I think I did it right.
Wait,
I kind of did it.
Right?
But he said that was right when he came over here.
No, I did not. I
What
said
other
we had
one are
one
you-
not
singular
to
picture.
shake your head.
What other one are we supposed to do?
What is this?
Huh?
Positive.
There's a little tiny plus sign
A on this one.
and a little 1 minus. Why is that?
So they can balance each other.
Because they want to be, let's just put it as that. Hello from the enemy.
And if I change this to oxygen, how does life change?
Life changes in so many different ways, you have no idea. It's the cycle of life.
What goes up here?
2 negative.
2 minus.
Now it's not down.
Wait, stop, I forgot, how do you figure out it's 2 minus?
Now you gotta put a 2
In front, 1, 2.
Why do I gotta put a 2 under the LI?
Well, balance or do that. I don't know, so I know.
Oh.
Because this thing over here has to have 0 charge. And if we just had 1 of each, it would have a negative
Why
charge.
can't they have a charge?
Because when these things combine, it's just like people at a dance.
What's that supposed to mean?
Then you have to go back to the 50s, when everybody that ever danced was 1 boy and 1 girl
Friday night dance together.
dancing around the floor.
Yeah, we dance like that. You got something against that?
You got individual single things that are separated on the outside, but everything that's connected to something else is 1 of these and 2 of those. In this particular equation, it's 1 oxygen and 2 lithiums every time they connect with each other. Otherwise, they're separate things.
So, why did you put a 1 there? Or is that a 2?
That's a 2.
It looks like a 1 from here. Like it looks like.
Sorry, I blew up.
Did you figure
There.
it out?
Okay?
Okay,
These are oxidation numbers.
so you can't have charge.
These are subscripts. The big ones that go out in front of them.
I can't think of their names, but they're big ones.
Coefficients. If there's 2 lithiums over there, there has to be 2 lithiums over there. I told you to start with a balanced equation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Complete and balanced. If you can't do this, you're going to have the wrong number of things drawn in your picture, Brittany.
What?
If you can't do this,
Okay.
you're going to have the wrong number of items drawn in your picture.
So the bigger one, okay, so when you're doing like the shared ones, like with the atom or whatever, does only the bigger one
So we figured
stay
it out.
around in the later one, or what?
How do we determine which one's going to take and which one's going to give?
I don't know, that's what I'm asking.
Depending on how. If
What am I
it's,
building?
if it's on this side, if it's
Look, I did it.
6
Okay.
and up, 5, 7 and up, one of those 2.
The ones on the right side do what?
We take.
They take.
The one on the right side, so this side?
Yep.
So this one's
The
gonna
ones
take.
on the left side
What's the other one?
Yeah.
Oh,
give.
but that's on, but they're both on the right side.
Which one is it? Then this one,
The page? No, this way.
right?
Why?
Because it's closer this way, and this one's closer to being neon.
Yep.
My dad. No, no. She teaches me all the
I know.
time. Only teachers who understand that I learned more than anything.
Ooh, I like this design, I don't know, it was on
Mhm.
Facebook and then it's big.
That's what I'm talking about.
I was like, I think I know this, like, it's yelling at teachers and stuff.
Maybe if you came in here,
You didn't just hand
What's
it.
it?
Yeah.
Because like,
Good question.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And he was like yelling.
well then I'm gonna do all this because.
But this is,
Like, it's not good, but it's actually works out.
there's no orbital stuff.
Okay.
But if you did, and you cared to know about the orbitals, then this would be, then that's the thing.
They're not.
Okay.
because the,
Yeah,
and I
you just
have
need to
work,
draw some
and
patches.
I'll watch it, and be like, ah, pretty.
I'm still proud.
Right?
And there's a
That's
third
a
one.
pretty nine.
Yep, there's a third one.
You're pretty nine.
Not a 10.
And that would be,
No, you're not a 10.
You can't figure it out.
You're only 9. Because I'm the one you only need.
Oh,
back row,
that was a good one, my
good to go?
Wait, that means
It's
you're
your turn, you missed it all. You're gonna watch me watch the video.
Well, you are aluminum now.
You're the only one. I'm.
There's supposed to be three of them.
What do you put these things on YouTube called as? I kind of rewatched this one.
Just send me an email, I'll send you a link.
Alright. No, but you missed it, cause she's like, oh, this is a pretty nine. I'm like, you're a pretty nine. She's like, I'm not a 10. And I was like, no, cause I'm the one you only need.
But I'm super
That just
confused
sent
now.
me to 11 minutes. But you're almost there.
What?
You have all the information
I know,
you
but
need. You just
what
need
did
to
I
get
do?
organized.
What did I do wrong on this?
See,
Like drawing it, because
You have a 3P with 1 in it. Yep. And right next to that, you have a 3S and 2 in it.
yeah,
Yep. Nothing.
2P with 6.
Good thing you drew all 3 of them in
You
the
go.
same.
Tiny drawing, right, because I want to draw it small before I actually went for it.
Okay.
But I'm confused as hell right now. And you're not really helping. Because there's supposed to be 3 and there's 1. I give up.
Look at this.
I'm done.
It's disgusting.
All they did was they combined the entire third level into 1 more row.
They can't do that though.
What?
No, you're kinda not supposed to.
So I can't do that.
Because he doesn't understand the poofiness. The poofiness.
I can't do it because it doesn't make sense. You said do it the other way. Because
I know.
you need more than 2 AL to make oxygen.
I didn't rush it at all. I did nothing.
Because aluminum is
Straight
the outside, there's how many they can share.
Hey.
You
You wait till Snyder.
What is
Yeah.
But it is. And how many?
Hey, I'm gonna go with your mold on. I'm gonna go mold on.
Go like that.
2. How
No.
many 2s?
I have to redraw this entire thing.
Go bloody. I should set up an appointment on Wednesday.
This is
I don't know, but I gotta finish this one.
So would now be a good time to show you how to do this?
No.
Hello from the other
As
side.
soon as I get it almost done, you're gonna like interrupt me and make me stop doing it. So sit down until I'm done.
There's no such thing as 3S, right? And it just goes to 2P. There's no such thing as 3P or 3S.
Yes, there is.
There is, but when you don't even use it.
Look, right? Look. Okay.
I'm sorry, I get confused on this stuff.
Let's say,
Hold on. I'm gonna just circle.
let's say, choose this one.
Okay.
Then you gotta go 1.
Can we actually talk about the one no?
Oh my god, but I'm trying to show you when you go 3.
Okay.
Okay, so this one.
Mm-hmm.
So, to get there, you just go across the zone. So this is 1S, and it holds 2. And you go to 2S, and it holds 2. And you go to top. This is 2P, and 1P. And I just keep
So,
going.
since I'm doing this one, there's a 2P or
Go. No, there's 1S,
I did that.
and 2S,
I did that.
and then 2P.
And 2P.
Getting 3
I didn't have to go to 3S.
Once you put in your 2,
2P, you go to
2
3S.
go to 6 in here, then you do 3S. And then once you fill 2 in there,
You go to 3P.
balancing.
Yeah. So, 2P.
BE has.
Hey, Mr. Snyder, guess what?
To,
chicken butt?
No, Ron should be a teacher.
me,
Yeah, you're so smart.
I don't like kids.
How do you know how many?
That
you
would
want
be a
to put in
small
there?
problem, wouldn't it?
Huh?
How many do you know you want to put in there? 9
one
or 10,
second, will you?
I need to read
Okay,
it.
so then you go back over here.
That looks terrible, but I've given up, so.
Look at my circles.
And then
Yeah,
you
look at
can-
mine.
It's still a lamp post, so you gotta fill it all.
We can do it.
You gotta fill it all, so you gotta put 2 in there.
And then you got another one, you wanna put 1?
And then, yep,
And you put 3 feet.
3 feet, yeah.
You know, just in a learning mode this week.
I'm not.
Why?
I still haven't found a bag.
I'm not use mine. I have a bag if you need one.
I don't know if I need one. Is it-
Ronnie, I have this big trash bag that I don't really use. I only use
It's
it when
kinda
I-
ugly, but I'm not drawing it for you.
I'm not going anywhere, so. I bought it on the standard 3-pack bags. Well, my sister's actually making suitcases in it though. And I'm like, I'm freaking almost not.
Okay, you can do it now, here you go.
That may be, that may
I don't need
be.
that. Everybody ready?
No. So the one that's on the farther left gives the, gives away.
This one.
Yeah, gives away.
Yes, because this, these ones.
So they're gonna share this one.
Yeah. I should.
Let's do it on here.
So 15, then neutrons are 15.
Mom's not giving my daughter my date.
One,
I wanna keep my premium one, but it's not, no.
okay,
Yeah, I'm not giving my daughter to my girl, that'd be weird.
giving you what?
Garter.
You might ask for it.
That'd be weird though.
Why?
Because it's Michael.
For what?
Like if it's
I
anyone
don't know,
else.
I'll probably get mine board and like, I mean, if you're paying for it. I get it. Guys, you should pay for all that stuff.
Thank you.
But I feel like you took your ticket.
So is that what you got for the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just.
I'm guessing Michael will honestly pay for all that stuff, so.
And if he
No.
doesn't, his mom probably will
Oh my
because
God.
she's
You
like.
know, Michael's got money on him. But
That's what I got.
Alright, guys.
for which one is that?
Yeah, I did it!
Hey,
Yeah, you told me this is how we did it.
That's what I got.
time out. When you go to beryllium, you should be able to see that it has 2 electrons in its second energy level.
Disgusting.
Those are called what?
Valence electron.
Valence electrons. Yay, laddie. Valence electrons are electrons that are available to be given away or taken away in a chemical reaction. So, beryllium has an oxidation number of 2+, which means it has 2 valence electrons. Fluorine has how many valence electrons?
What?
How many
5.
valence electrons?
5.
Nope.
Wait,
17.
Thanks for playing. Nope.
That's what
what? Electrons?
I don't think it does.
Valence electrons are electrons that are in the
2.
Outer energy level.
outer energy level. When we find fluorine, what
7.
energy level is that?
7.
Oh, 2.
Second energy level. There's 5 here, there's 2 there. That makes 7.
There's 7.
These things have 8.
No.
Noble gases have 8. 8 is full energy level, right? Because the S's and the P's are the only ones that are ever involved in a chemical reaction. The D's and the F's, pretty much in high school chemistry, those are not going to be involved. Okay? So F has 7, it's gonna steal 1, giving it 1 extra negative electron. So the oxidation number is 1 minus, and we don't write 1s, just like algebra. So that tells us we're gonna have to have 2 negatives to balance 1, 2 positive. That tells us we need 2 fluorines to connect with 1 beryllium. And then the 2 colored things show you where the electrons go. Did I draw all the electrons in a fluorine?
Yeah.
Did I draw 9 electrons? In beryllium, did I draw 4? Why did I only draw those?
Cause you get that one. Cause they're not like, I don't know,
You got the right idea. The other ones are on the inside, they can't be involved in a chemical reaction. You don't draw the ones that aren't involved in a chemical reaction. When we did atomic diagrams last time, you had to do like number 23, right? You had to draw 23 electrons. If we're doing this and we're talking about the chemical combination, we only care about the valence electrons, only draw the valence electrons. Outer energy level. Brittany found one that had aluminum drawn, and it had 3 electrons in the outer ring. Is that right?
yeah.
They drew all the inside stuff too, and then they drew 3 electrons in the outer ring.
That's cause we only get away 3.
Aluminum only has 1 electron in the 3p,
Yeah.
but it has 2 in the 3s.
Can you come here?
And that's what I did here, is I only drew the valence electrons, so these 7 in fluorine are actually in the 2p and the 2s. And notice I didn't label anything. If you start labeling orbitals, you're drawing an atom, you're not drawing a chemical compound.
Can you
So I
come
feel like I would make that a lace here.
Okay, so I have, okay, 10 from right there, 12 after that. So does that one count as one thingy for that then? Thingy 15, so I have 12 right now, so I only put 2 other ones on this one?
According to what I just said, you only need to worry about 3, that's the largest number. That's the outside energy level. The outer energy level is the only one that can be involved in a chemical reaction. So all of these 2s and these 1s can't be involved. They're not important, big draw.
You already said that.
Don't draw.
You came over here and said we were doing it right.
I know, you're basically right. You got the concept. But you don't even need to draw the inside ones. You can just ignore them.
So you only use 3s and 3p.
For aluminum, oxygen doesn't have a 3s or a 3p. What's the outer energy level in an oxygen? When you're drawing all the orbitals, what's the name of the last orbital in an oxygen? Yes, it's a 2p. So for oxygen, you're going to need the 2p and the 2s, because 2 is the biggest energy level, the highest, the outermost energy level. In aluminum, 3 is the outermost energy level, so you only need to draw the 3rd energy level. And you can just make one circle and say, okay, that's the 3rd energy level. How many electrons do I put in? Put them in there.
So we draw it like that.
Yep, you can get away with drawing it just like that. This one has 8, this one has 8, this one has 0. Because it gave us 2 away.
So then the A, I'll give like all 3. 4.
After seeing that, you can do the second one.
No, I tried and I did again.
I actually got it.
Did you balance the equation first slide?
Yes.
So we have to,
Why? What is this? Why is it? Gosh darn it. You like keep going and throw
That
it
works.
on.
thank you.
All the black ones have like the I love this one. mom make us one?
Blue room is 13, last year had 8, Saturday, so a little bit.
I don't think I've ever seen that experience before.
Big cell, big touch.
They're like,
And then put
Did
in
you
the
changes?
No.
No?
You said these are nice.
His mom used to be, but now she's just blonde.
How does that work?
totally doesn't make any difference.
Look at her, I'm in quite a
water Malone, put little dots of Sharpie on the page.
What are these?
Not really racing this stuff.
Well, we're not even doing anything, we're done, it's boring, just sitting here, not learning. I'm already done, look at it, there you go. Now I have to wait for like
So why don't you tell us
Yeah,
it's wrong?
You wanted me to give you problems and let you figure it out?
Yes, and then I'm done with it, and
Yeah,
now I'm
yeah,
just
right.
sitting here.
Yeah, we did, we finished.
Why didn't you tell us?
So we should move on?
What?
Well, people
What?
aren't done though.
Well,
You must circles.
you know what's next?
What?
Ooh,
There's a shorter way to represent this.
Oh, the water came out right away.
the ones that I
Exact
wanted to
same
do,
question
but
I
you
told
said
you.
no.
So figure them out.
Why can't we learn that first?
No.
Put them on the same page, on the same side of the page.
Oh my god, okay, watch.
And do you know what those are called?
No, don't care.
I hate erasing, it hurts my hands.
What are you doing?
Suck it up. Holy cow.
That's all the better, it's gonna be good.
Seems like it might be easier to grab another thing.
Yeah, it probably would have been.
I already did, so I don't want to grab now, that's not that young. So, what are you doing?
I love when we kind of.
Madison? Got it?
I got the first three.
Looks right. Pretty much.
I actually got that right.
Any other one?
They get it all right.
Yep. I'll be darned.
I'll be dying.
It's just like building
Frick yeah.
barbed wire fence with.
I love that song. Frick yeah.
There you go, I'm done.
You build a four-wire fence, you better have 4 clips per post, right?
Yep.
Not that hard.
Yeah, Hoss, it's not that hard.
Okay.
That's exactly like it was in the picture, so you can't even tell me that I'm wrong.
I don't know what's shared though.
Well, I didn't want to put them too close because then it would be a hot mess, so.
What? Okay.
Like these two.
Yeah. You can copy.
I just went, I turned back to you.
Sort of.
Yeah,
How many dots should the flooring have around it?
the outside layer. You have to do it, right? That's what I use.
So the flooring should have how many?
Really not sorry. I'm
That's
just
what I
not saying
thought.
that.
We put that in the middle, it makes 6.
5 is balanced, 6 is balanced, 6 is what they all want.
This one does. We're even backwards this time, dude.
Those ones
Those are
don't
just
matter.
second you know, too.
Those don't matter.
This dude.
Okay, so that's what you do it on for every single one of them?
But I don't know what you're talking about. Ooh,
That's-
this is little-
That's the thing you gotta pick up, Ricky.
There's 2 more, there you go.
And you know, and you know.
That's literally what you do up there.
The next one is called an electron dot diagram.
I've done these like 150 times.
Flooring has 7, right?
It's the same thing, it's not a circle on it.
AL is a negative charge, right? Not a positive.
Yes, I know.
Same thing, it's not a circle.
That's literally what she drew and you said it was wrong.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Count the dots.
You have to do the dots a certain way to keep
Not really. Some teachers will tell you to make little X's and some will tell you to make little dots. It is called the electron dot diagram, so the dots are the right way to do it.
Well, I'm gonna do it like this, if you want me to show you how they combine, so like one of the.
And a lot of instructors will say shade one should be
One
X's.
of the, yeah,
Yep.
like that.
If you can't do colors, you should
Because
do
that's,
X's.
okay. Now I'm back to what I'm doing, because I'm already done again.
Because one of the atoms will get X's all the way around it, the other one will get dots all the way around it, and you can see where they came from.
What you need,
You
look
can-
at this. Don't look at it.
She's trying to copy the answer off the internet.
I'm trying to look to do it.
There you go, that's exactly the right thing to do. Trying to figure it out.
It's AL minus 5.
Without these boxes, like.
That's first.
Oh, it's taking
E and row 2, and then over here,
Plus
right
two.
here, right?
minus 2.
So now you put an X, then an X, and that's
You
B.
should probably care what the
And then you
world
put a dot right here, and a dot right here, and
World
that's
is
what
good.
the dots are. X is
You might just be.
Oh.
is. What'd you get 2 plus?
I don't know, I just saw that you said yeah.
Yeah.
So the first, it's the
This
first
is just
one.
the hour.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Yes, you have to do
It's
two.
been on what it is.
Minus
Can they both be minuses?
And this is always just.
2 minuses don't go together, right? A negative and a positive?
How do you make it positive? It's not.
Go the other way?
Yeah, energy level 3.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You gotta do Mr. Snowdy's ways.
That's not my ways.
I'm gonna do that,
It's the whole world.
because combine these
Whole
two.
world against this. Take your advantage.
Oh.
I'm gonna
Mr. Snyder.
right?
I think you did.
How does
that
this
wrong.
happen? Look, did you just see that? It was on like 2
Mhm.
seconds ago.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I
Trucking
can't.
done. Just trucking done.
Yeah, that's 5, not
Yeah.
6.
But are you combining the two again?
So then,
I'm gonna start using that kind of language because that other language is not.
so I just
I
You
have.
get F has 6, F has 5,
F has 5.
F has 7, F is a halogen. All halogens have 7 electrons in their outer energy level. What you two are missing is the difference between energy level and orbital.
Oh.
Energy level is the number, orbital is the actual field, right? If you just take 2, everything has a 2, there's 2s and a 2p. If you combine them, it has 7.
Then you're
Yeah,
gonna.
that's what I said. I asked if we're combining these two, and you said no.
So,
What?
I said these two, the two
hold
and the
on,
two.
hold on. So -3.
I couldn't add the two and the two.
I thought you were
Like next
doing,
to O,
and,
it's gonna be
yeah,
negative.
we're combining these 2.
Those ones
No,
not
minus two.
Because negative or not.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's,
Mr. Snyder,
that's the deal.
hey,
Technically, that's still wrong though.
When I do
Not
the
that
circles
many.
up there, the
Oh,
only
that's
thing
it.
I do is energy levels, I do not do
yes,
orbitals.
let's just put a 2
If
right
you're gonna do
there.
orbitals, you have to have 2 of them.
Done. Wow, freaking whack.
And that's why
I gotta erase
most of
those
these
crap.
things only have 1 circle around them, or else they have the whole thing. And the whole thing is just a confusing mess.
I did that one.
Sorry, I was texting earlier that he's in going. You probably don't even know what that means. Or do you? This is a real question. Do you? Oh, I think he got it. He got up.
I don't
Got
get
it,
it.
run, run.
Why do people have two garters?
Run.
Like one small and one
Very
big
much.
one.
He's a fast walk.
Why? There's a bunch of them. I'm so confused.
Hey, how long did it take you to upload these videos? Because I don't know where you watched this one.
In those wedding sets, you keep one,
Hey?
and you auction one, and I'll pick your husband.
Oh, that's weird as hell. Okay. Why would you do that? That's so weird. It's like, here guys, want a garter? You'll never use it again. But
I still need to go to the flower shop. I still need to go get.
why do you have to?
I don't even know, bro.
Have you done any of that yet?
You pay for your airfare, for your,
Wait, people pay $4 for a garter. That's messed up.
they do if you do the last dollar, right?
What?
People give you $2, $2, $2, $2, go all the way around, and then somebody else will start the Some places they just auction it off, but it's really creepy when your wife's ex-boyfriend buys the garbage for $250. And then there's a check for $250.
Oh, God.
Sorry, I'm
No,
done.
that's not right.
I'm done.
She'll ask all of your uncle and
Her ex-
cousins and
her ex
everything,
what?
and
Her
everybody
ex-boyfriend?
throw a dollar in
Her
there.
ex-boyfriend? That's fucking weird.
Oh, God, it's funny.
Stand up.
Why would you even invite your ex-boyfriend to your wedding in the first place?
You should have.
They were still friends, apparently. Friends with benefits. Oh. I guess that happened to you because it sounded like.
Do I need to draw aluminum up here? Aluminum oxide?
Wait, when do we have to go to a flower shop?
Guys,
What?
do I need to draw aluminum oxide?
Go for it.
Or can I just go here?
Do we have to go for a date?
Can I go straight to that?
Sure.
Yeah. Well, you see it have to. I didn't. Last year.
Balanced equation?
It's like, what do we have to pick out?
Garter, flowers, your, yeah, there we go. And if you want them to have to be a certain color, you can tell them what color you want them to get. Oh, I just wrote it. Right.
So I should probably. I said I need to go.
I'm gonna go like, maybe I should go to the access table, just so I can like set things up, maybe like, yeah, take away from.
How many electrons do the aluminums have that they share? Okay, you're done talking now. Aluminums have 3. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does that work?
Sure. I do that, I have to do it.
That's not what I'm saying.
Hmm?
What if I get to do it? She can have one, I can keep one.
Nobody can see that that's screwed up?
It is.
Is that what you did?
Yep.
What?
Why are you always lying?
Do you know why? Do you know how you know? How did you know that was wrong?
I don't know, because I like.
Cause that one in the middle would have 3, not 2.
No, because.
And all of these ones on the outside are oxygens, and they have to have 2 each, and this one only had 1. So it couldn't possibly be right. And the oxygen, each of them has 6 of their own.
I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So here's the deal. The oxygen needs 2. That's what that 2 minus oxidation number is. That means it has 6. So there should be 6 orange around each of the orange oxygens. Put an O in the center. The aluminums each have 3.
I have the hiccups.
So they're going to share 2 this way, 2 this way, and then 1 each towards the middle. When you write that, when you write an electron dot for an oxygen, did you figure out on those electron dot things that a lot of the pictures you find on the internet have a square? And you need to think of it like making a square around the atomic symbol. And then there's 1 left and 1 right on top, 1 above and 1 below on the left and the right side. And the bottom has 1 left and 1 right. Each of the oxygens should still have 6. Each of the aluminums should still have 3. So if you're going to draw it, it's going to look like that. If you're going to do the electron dot on how aluminum and oxygen combine, it'll look like the top part.
Okay.
as long as one's got one and one's got the other.
That could-
If you got color, they can all be dots. But if you're doing it all in blue pen, one should be X's and one should be O's. Just like tic-tac-toe,
Here you go,
right?
here you go. I'm done.
Ready for your assignment?
No.
There you go.
Yes, make a PowerPoint about this.
No, I don't like PowerPoints because I don't know how to explain it to other people.
I think I'd like to have a video of you explaining it.
No.
No.
How about no?
I just legitly told you, Bree has a hard time explaining this stuff.
I'd rather do a PowerPoint and take.
No,
I'm kind of over PowerPoints. I'm PowerPointed out.
So.
Why don't we do a teaching day?
John-
Why don't we get partnered up with someone and do a teaching day? Like
The
we,
freshmen are not ready for this.
We are not.
no, to our own class.
Yeah.
Do you see?
Did we just do that?
No.
I cannot remember who told me about this website, but I need to find it.
We did PowerPoints last time and they sucked because we are tired of them. Okay, so let's do a teaching day.
That's why I was thinking video.
No. Teaching in front of the class with partners.
Video.
No, no one wants that.
We do a video. I'm wearing a mask on my face.
Yeah,
I don't want that video.
look at Etsy.
And I'm using a thing that makes.
I don't
my
have time to
sound
make a
weird.
video.
It sounds like,
How many times do you see Sal Khan's face on a video?
Who's?
never.
Khan Academy?
Never.
Yeah.
I want it.
I didn't say you had to show your face.
Oh, yeah, he did.
You can't get a couple of blank sheets of paper and a Sharpie and explain and have somebody shoot video?
it up. Like that, very good, that's-
Well, then you have to stop and erase that and start over. Or learn how to put things together. Learn how to edit videos and do it in chunks.
I already know how to edit videos, it's the stupidest thing ever, and it's gay.
It's easy,
It's gay.
but it's
Don't think that
not a
I'm.
program.
I know it's not. It's like 7. Can I go get a drink of water? I've been working hard all day. You have to admit that.
Pretty much.
Yeah, exactly. Can I go get a drink?
I'll have that printed up for you next time.
Ronnie, come
I
with me.
bet you
Ronnie, come with me. Hi. We're ditching.
Feel free to spend some of your study hall time working on that.
Great. Are we gonna do them?
You're gonna have to follow the entire design cycle.
I'm hard.
That was a learning exercise.
They're like reversible. How?